Okay, these are the Think Delight protein bars. This one is chocolate peanut butter cookie dough, which I know I'm going to like. And to be honest, these were a little pricey for me because they're imported. I live in Japan, so probably more than what you're going to pay if you're an American and buying off Amazon.com. But for me, I just wanted to try something different that was keto friendly. I usually get the Costco Kirkland protein bars. I think they're only 2 carbs as well. They might be a little bit more, but they do the trick. But these are chocolate coated and they look so tempting, and I thought, let's give them a try. So let's do that. Open these babies up. Very strange packaging here. I think I went about it the wrong way. Okay, I botched the packaging here. I wasn't very good at figuring that out, but I probably won't keep them in this container anyway. Reminds me a bit of a Quest bar, but chunky. Very small. Okay, so very round and stout and short, like a little bit of a sausage here. And it's not completely evenly coated, but it is chocolatey. Let's bite into it. Okay, this is totally not what I expected. It's actually very air-filled, very light, very fluffy. It kind of reminds me of a Reese's peanut butter cup, if I'm honest, but it does have that mild sort of, you know, that protein texture that a lot of these bars have. That's there still, so you can't get away from that if you want a protein bar. But it is very sweet, very light. The texture is a little tiny bit crunchy, but just a little bits and pieces here. Otherwise, it's very airy, very soft. And again, the thing that comes to mind for me is Reese's peanut butter cups. Want another bite? Okay, I completely took it out of the packet here. It's not very big, as I said, but I'm going to be buying these again for a treat because they taste great, in my opinion. Really good. Very peanut buttery and chocolatey. And you know, now that I think of it, the crunchiness in here, the texture inside I spoke of, kind of reminds me of, cookie dough. Because you know when you have like sugar granules in the cookie dough? I'm getting that from this. Very interesting taste. I guess if you're into this kind of thing, what you really want to know is the macros. The fat content's almost 25%, so that's decent. Okay, I don't like it when they do the daily values here. I find everybody's different, and I pretty much like to ignore that. Just look at the grams. So total grams of fat, we have 14, cholesterol 10, sodium 85. Carbohydrate, whoa, 9 grams. This is not a low-carb bar, you guys. But it is low sugar. I mean, you've got 1 gram of sugar, and I guess that's what people look at with these things. But, I mean, there's carbs in here. And you got some vitamins in here, too. And 10 grams of protein, which is great. So is it better than cookies and ice cream and chips? Absolutely. Is it affordable? Absolutely not, especially in my case. Is it delicious? Yes, it's delicious. Will I be purchasing these again? Oh yeah, sadly I will. Recommend.